and welcome. On this, our third episode, we'll bring you the latest updates from Fronius, the latest product training, and a look at some of the most impressive factories we've recently visited. I'm Andrew Burgess, and welcome to the Juice News. First up is some welcome news coming from our wonderful friends at Fronius, with production ramping up as new capacity comes online in Austria. Over the past couple of years, we have seen demand outstripping supply and customers having to wait extended periods to access stock. But that's all changing with a new production line that will increase capacity by 65% each month, going from a total of 32,000 inverters in 2022 to 52,000 inverters by the end of this year. Fronius have also recently launched the Gen 24, 8 and 10 kilowatt, with production of these units increasing throughout the rest of the year. If you'd like to know more about these exciting new quality products or want the latest availability of stock, get in touch with me or any of the Solar Juice team. Tesla is planning its first ever Installer Day event in Australia to be held on the 22nd of September at the Sydney Botanical Gardens. As the demand for solar and storage continues to increase, so does the need to have the installation capacity to allow the transition to a renewable future. The event will feature hands-on access to Tesla products, the ability to ask questions to experts, hear from senior leadership about the product roadmap, and share your feedback. This Installer Day is an invite-only event and places are limited, so reach out to either me or one of the Solar Juice team to learn all things Tesla. Last week, Solar Juice had the pleasure of hosting a number of our top 10 customers on a unique trip to visit several major factories in China. We started the week attending the Schletter mounting factory, followed by visits to Sungrow and Trina, with a final stop at the Tesla Gigafactory in Shanghai. What an experience! We enjoyed wonderful hospitality from our partners and first-hand insights into the quality and scale of these leading manufacturers. If you would like to know more about how you can join a similar adventure in the future, please let us know by contacting your account manager. Please like, share, or comment. And until next time, shine on.